watching support through YouTube channel.
Windows May 10, 2021 Update Patch Tuesday is now rolling out for those using supported versions, such as version 20H2 and version 2004. This month's Patch Tuesday release comes with quality improvements, and it also fixes an issue that causes high CPU usage when using multiple apps. Windows May 10, 2021 Update also comes with a long list of security fixes. This release addresses at least 3 zero-day vulnerabilities, and admins are recommended to apply the updates immediately as per the changelog. Total 55 vulnerabilities have been fixed, out of which 4 are classified as critical, while the rest are marked important and moderate. In addition to these important bug fixes, Windows 10's May 2021 update brings the News and Interests taskbar widget to more users. To install the May 2021 cumulative updates, follow these steps. Open the Start menu or Windows search. Look for Windows Updates. Click on Updates and Security. Click on Windows Update on the left side pane. Click on Check for Updates. Select Download and Install. Before rebooting the system, make sure that you've unchecked the optional driver updates. Depending on the edition and version of Windows 10 installed on your device, the build number will change after applying today's update. In case you've upgraded to version 20H2, October 2020 update, Microsoft will be pushing build 19042.985 to your compatible device. For those still using Windows 10 version 2004, also known as May 2020 update, they'll get the same patch as version 20H2. However, the build revision number would be slightly different, as Microsoft has published build 19041.98.
Your tips, reviews, and feedbacks are highly appreciated. For any suggestion, queries, any improvement, please drop your comments below. Thank you so much.